Good morning, students. A very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 in GK video. So, hope children you all will also watch this video till end. So, children, today in this video I am going to start the new chapter, and the chapter name is here Outdoor Games. What? Outdoor Games. So, children, what are outdoor games? Do you know? Yes. Outdoor games are the games which are played outside the house, and also this the game which are played with what the games which are played in open spaces or in a playground are called outdoor games. So these games are played outside the house. So now children, also what do you know about the outdoor games? Playing outdoors enables us to exercise and fresh air and activity. There is something fundamentally health about being outdoors. Okay, children, and outdoor games are an excellent form of exercise for kids. It helps us to strengthen their muscles and joints, increases flexibility and makes them more agile. Immunity is also improved. Okay, children. Now after that, so you will read the different types of indoor games in this video. So let's see the one by one. There is football, spelling FOOT, foot, BALL, ball, football. Yes, and football is the most popular sport in the world. Over 1 billion fans watch World Cup football on television. It is the most watched sports on earth, my dear, and it is the national sports of Canada. Okay, and also what do you know about this? Football comprises a total of 12 players with 11 key players and goalkeepers each player. Okay, and it consists of two teams with 11 players and 10 players and goalkeeper. 10 players and one goalkeeper. One is a goalkeeper. Football is played on a big ground. On this basis, lots of stadium have been constructed all over the world. So this is the picture of this is the game is football game, spelling FOOT, foot, BALL, ball. It is a outdoor game. Okay, we play in we play in open areas. Now after that, let's see the next. Cricket, spelling CRICKET, 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 cricket. Cricket is a game played with a bat and ball having 11 players. Yes, how many players are there in cricket? What will you say? 11 players. 11 players. PLAYERS players. There are 11 players. On each side of two teams, the person who hits the ball called batsman, and another person who bowls is called bowler. Okay, children. And also William Gilbert Grace. Yes, William Gilbert Grace is considered as the father of cricket. Yes, William Gilbert is considered as the father of cricket, and Virat Kohli has led Indian cricket team in to great heights. Okay, children, and what this is the national sports of Australia. It is the national sports of Australia. And also, what do you know about this? And cricketers generally have three designated roles: batsman, okay, bowlers, and all-rounder. Batsman, bowler, all-rounder, and all wicket keeper. Additionally, 12th man is also named during the toss. A 12th man cannot bat ball, but keep wicket on captain the side during the cricket match. Okay, so there are 11 players in this cricket. Okay, children, and it has two teams. Now after that, let's see the next. And also what, children, about the and William Gilbert is known as the father of the cricket. Hockey, spelling HOCKEY, 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 hockey. Hockey is the national sports of India. The game is played in another countries beside India. India has been a world champion in hockey. The game started first from England. And my dear, Dhyan Chand. Yes, Dhyan Chand, famously known as the hockey wizard. Yes, Dhyan Chand, spelling Dhyan. Dhyan Chand, Chand, Chand. Chand. Dhyan Chand, famously known as the hockey wizard, is considered as one of the greatest hockey player of all time. So this is a picture of hockey. And children, now after that, tennis. What? Tennis, spelling Tennis. Tennis. Tennis is a racket sport that can be played individually against a single opponents between two teams of two players. Each player uses a tennis racket that is strung with cord and strike a hollow rubber ball covered with a felt over around a net and into opponents. And this is the national game of China. Okay children, China, China. And also, what do you know about this? Yes, Wimbledon. Wimbledon is the only major tennis tournament still played on grass. Wimbledon, spelling Wimbledon. Wimbledon is the only major tennis tournament still played on grass. So there is tennis, Tennis, tennis. Now after it, golf, Golf, golf. And what do you know about this? Yes, it is a game played in an open field where the golfer plays his golf ball into a hole by using different types of clubs. It is one of the oldest sports in the world. And my dear, this is the national sports of Scotland. So what? It is a club and ball sports in which players use various clubs to hit balls into a series. It is the most expensive game with trimmed grass ground, and the main equipment of the game is the hard ball. It is the one of the hard ball. Okay children. So what? Now after that, the next one is your volleyball. What do you know about this? Spelling Volley, Ball. Volleyball is a team sport in which two teams of 6 players are separated by a net. Each team tries to score points by grounding a ball on the other team's court under organized rules. Most volleyball players jump about 300 times. Most volleyball players jump about 300 times during a match. Now next one is here Kabaddi, spelling Kabbadi. Kabaddi. It is an outdoor game that is played in an open field outside the house, and by playing this game our body and brain remain healthy. Kabaddi is an ancient and traditional sport in our country. This game is famous in almost all over the country. Okay, it is played between two teams and each team consists of 7 players. Okay, and also what do you know? A player of the team speak kabaddi and tries to touch the player of the other team, while the players of other team try to escape and stop him in his court. Okay children, so kabaddi spelling Kabbadi, kabaddi. Next one is here Kho, spelling Kho, Kho. And what do you know children? Yes, Kho game played in a square area in an open field. Okay, the space between the two poles is divided into 8 equal parts, and this game is played between two teams in which each team has a 10 player. And also what children? During the game, one team sits and the other team runs. It can be played by man, women and children of all ages. Yes, this is the game which can be played by the of all ages. Okay children, so spelling of Kho-Kho, K-H-O, Kho-Kho. During the game, the what one team sits, as you can see here, one team sits and other team runs. So children, this is the spelling of Kho-Kho. Now children, you will do the you will underline the hard words of this chapter. So just one time I'll read this hard word, like famously, spelling Famously, famously, considered, Considered, considered. Now after that, wizard, Wizard, wizard. Kabaddi, Kabaddi, kabaddi. Popular, Popular, popular. Television, Television, television. Television, William Gilbert, William, Gilbert, Gilbert, William Gilbert. Wimbledon, Wimbledon, Wimbledon. Tournament, Tournament, tournament. And the last is Asian, what Asian, Asian, Asian. And billion, Billion, billion. So children, what you all have to do first, you all will read this chapter 30, and the name of the chapter, outdoor games, and then you will you will read this chapter twice nicely, and then you will complete this chapter with its underline the hard words. Okay children, you will read the did you know point also. So hope children you all have understood very nicely. For today, once again, I would like to tell you thank you for watching this video till end. So have a wonderful day and bye bye you all.